ito po yung one aircon bedroom setup po natin. So, meron tayong free extension, may video okay, meron tayong speaker and mga microphone. And then, board and card games, we have 400 Mbps, dining table, sofa bed, and free hotel sleepers. Okay. So, ito po yung, meron pa tayong microphone dito. Okay. Ayan. And then, sa kitchen naman, may hand towel, may plastics. Okay. So, ito yung garbage bin. Ito yung magagamit ninyo. Okay. Alright. Ayan siya. Okay, then may water na tayo. Then we go to the, ayan, meron tayong premium Netflix, bagong-bago. Let's just take care of this kasi hindi gagana po ang TV without this. And then we have premium Netflix and this is a Google TV so pwedeng voice command. Ito naman yung ating toilet. Okay, malinis po yan. Meron tayong shower, body soap, yan. Shampoo, heater, okay. Alright, so, now we go upstairs. Okay, dito sa kwarto naman natin, nandito yung ating fridge. Alright, and then isang kwarto lang yung available. Kasi one aircon lang yung binook natin. So, meron tayong dalawang sofa bed, that's double. Malinis po yung ating bedsheet, ano? Okay, and then ito rin, malinis siya, no? So, wala lang tayong, huwag lang natin lagyan ng okay, ng mga mancha-mancha. Okay, ito po yung ating, ayan, may ilaw. May aircon, may fan. Pag pinatay po natin, may ilaw siya. May ilaw din itong vanity mirror na to. Okay? Ito yung ating blanket at saka towels. May massager, may ironing board, hair blower, hair straightener. Okay. Tanggalin